onwards. Tamil, while similarly ancient, has a distinct script and literary tradition. Example, the Sangam literature itself. There is no evidence supporting the claim that Kannada is born out of Tamil. Both languages developed independently from a shared linguistic ancestor. So their origins, their roots are the same. Tamil remained geographically and culturally rooted in the Tamilakam region, while Kannada speakers moved westward to what is now Karnataka, leading to independent linguistic evolution. On that note, viewers, we'd like to leave you with a very engaging conversation. Do we really know our history, itihasa, or have we been so brainwashed as a republic that we are ready to accept mythology as our itihasa? Have we been taught what we are actually not? Listen. Namaste, Jai Hind. A conversation that is a must, that needs to come front and center and perhaps into our drawing rooms. Who are we as a nation, and have we always been taught what is actually not? Are we a brainwashed republic, as Neeraj Attri writes? His story of Itihas. Well, the trailer blew me away, and that's the reason why we have the writer, producer, and of course the director of the movie, Manpreet Singh Dhami, sitting right in front of me, a young lad. And with him is someone who's off-cam conversation. We talk a lot of strategy, war, etc. on camera, but yes, a short off-camera conversation about how our history or our itihas needs to be taught properly to the generations. Lieutenant General Pandey is with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anand.
So let's open up the conversation and quickly, Manpreet, how did this movie, this concept, everything happen?
So 4 or 5 years back, I had no idea about my history, and some guy, some person, he just told me 4 years back कि तुम्हारी हिस्ट्री किताब में गलत लिखा हुआ है. मैं हंस पड़ा उस पर. मैंने कहा क्या बात कर रहे हो यार, because you're not ready to accept that, so but he's like, no, start with some books and you'll start reading it, you'll start getting to know about it. I like reading, but I don't love reading, okay. But when I started getting into the books and this Brainwashed Republic written by Neeraj Attri came into my hands, I think that blew me away. I'm like, which world am I living in? And the revelation, the anger, I just like, मेरे साथ जो हुआ वो आने वाली जनरेशन के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. वो, because to be honest, like 12 years back when I went to Europe, I felt quite inferior because I had no idea about my history. But जब मुझे हिस्ट्री के बारे में अब जब पता लगा, I knew about my greatness, now I'm a very confident person. तो जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि हिस्ट्री से क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है यार, आज की बात करो, फ्यूचर की बात करो, हिस्ट्री जो लोग आपने सुना होगा, एक बहुत बड़ी कहावत भी है सर, कि जो लोग अपनी हिस्ट्री भूल जाते हैं उनका ज्योग्राफी बदल जाता है ना. तो और एक ये भी कहावत है कि किसी का भविष्य मिटाना हो तो उसका इतिहास मिटा दो. तो मैं चाहता हूँ जो इतिहास मिटा हुआ था, जितना मैं उसको वापस दिखा सकता हूँ, जितनी मेरी हिम्मत है, उस सागर के लिए बहुत लोग काम कर रहे हैं, उस सागर में मैंने अपनी एक छोटी सी बूंद डाली है.
So you have written, produced and directed this entire movie.
Yes.
You wanted to do it that way, or did nobody want to back you? सत्य क्या है ये बताइए.
Writing and direction is something which I always love to do, and वो तो मुझे पता था मुझे करना ही है. और but the product, obviously कोई चाहता नहीं प्रोड्यूसर बनना, but मुझे फंड्स नहीं मिले, no one backed me, and थोड़ा सा अभी इसको चाइल्डिशनेस कह सकते हैं, दिलेरी कह सकते हैं, जो भी कह सकते हैं. It was just an inner voice, and some things just happened from somewhere, and I was able to accumulate some funds myself, और वो हो गया. कैसे हुआ मुझे नहीं पता, उसका जवाब नहीं है, but it just happened. But I'm glad, because then the decision making becomes streamlined. Because most of the movies, if you see, they are not that good, because writer ये सोच रहा है, director ये सोच रहा है, producer ये सोच रहा है. It's not aligned. यहाँ पे हर बंदा, ये हर चीज़ यहाँ पे aligned है. Despite disadvantages, this is the advantage which I would like to see more as a silver lining.
So you are actually trying to bust a few myths or mithya and bring to the fore what is actually itihas as it happened. Itihas. So give us an example, and then we'll get General Pandey to weigh in into it.
So
also.
for example, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, जैसे 90s में 11th क्लास की बुक में ये लिखा हुआ था गुरु तेग बहादुर के बारे में. I've just brought this book by Makhan Lal. So he's quoting this 9th 11th क्लास की, मिडीवल इंडिया की. इसमें लिखा हुआ है गुरु तेग बहादुर वॉज अरेस्टेड विद फाइव ऑफ हिज फॉलोअर्स ब्रॉट टू दिल्ली एंड एग्जीक्यूटेड. फिर बाद में लिखा हुआ है कि लेटर पर्शियन सोर्सेज से कि ही रिसॉर्टेड टू प्लंडर एंड रेपाइन लेइंग वेस्ट द होल प्रोविंस ऑफ द पंजाब. अब इससे बच्चे के दिमाग में क्या जाता है कि सही ही हुआ, गुरु तेग बहादुर जो ने प्लंडर एंड रेपाइन और वट एवर ही डिड, तो इसलिए उनको मारना, एग्जीक्यूट करना सही है. सो औरंगजेब बिकम्स अ बेटर गाय. वो तो जिंदा पीर है. ही वाज बीइंग टोल्ड एज लिविंग सेंट इन आवर स्कूल हिस्ट्री बुक्स. सो देयर आर मेनी एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल नाउ blatantly they have written, not exactly blatant, but very, I would say, I have to give it to them, sir, they are very smart. Pandita Ramabai felt that Hinduism is oppressive towards women. Okay, now जो बच्चा बैठा है वो तो ये नहीं देख रहा ना पंडिता रमाबाई फेल्ट अ ग्रेट स्कॉलर, उसका संस्कृत उसके दिमाग में वो नहीं जाएगा. उसके दिमाग में ये जाएगा कि हिंदुइज्म इज ऑपरेसिव टुवर्ड्स वुमेन. हाउ वी आर अपरूटेड फ्रॉम आवर कल्चर लाइक दिस वेरी स्मार्टली. सो आई हैव टू गिव इट टू देम, इवन इफ आई एम एंग्री अगेंस्ट देम, आई हैव टू गिव इट टू देम. भाई सही तरीके आपने यूज किया.
So, but how is, if Hinduism is oppressive towards women, how did Ramabai become a Pandita? So
that story needs to be told.
That story needs to be. General Pandey, your thoughts? Guru Tegh Bahadur?
Yeah, for me,
Persian sources.
For me,
that's what he did.
Yeah, for me, he's such a hero.
Yeah.
Right.
But how is it our history books don't quote Sikhi history?
Yeah, because they will like to have the Persian this thing, because nobody else is going to read. So when you quote something from outside, right, which has got a slant, which has got an angularity, nobody's going to question all that. So why should you quote your own scriptures and your own history or your own people, which may be questioned at point of time? So all these things have been agenda driven, right? Let me just quickly come back to what he said, that he was told not to do it. इससे अराजकता फैलेगी. The millennials, the senior millennials, that is my generation to maybe your generation as well, have been brought into that mindset that if you are going to change the status quo, बहुत खराब हो जाएगी हालत, right? So let thing get slide over. Let's not question. जो रट के सीख लिया वो सीख लिया. हमको हिस्ट्री को क्वेश्चन नहीं करना चाहिए. All over the world, they got 250 years, 300 years of history. Or like you go to Greece, you go to Italy, they got, the centuries old stuff which has been maintained and kept. There's a shot in this where they show this the science part of a temple का आप दिखाते हैं ना मूवी के अंदर. I had not traveled to South India earlier, it's only in
Chidambaram temple.
Major.
There are many temples.
There are many temples.
Padmanabha temple.
So
Chidambaram
all the
temple,
time,
all of them, yeah.
for me,
Ellora Ishwara,
for me as a North Indian or anybody who's reading a book, the highlight of buildings is Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar, right? The circumstances about Qutub Minar and circumstances about Taj Mahal is unknown to us, right? Whereas the scientific miracle or the advancement of science or this thing, of South India was only known to me when I was a major, and I traveled extensively to South India. And every time I used to enter, I should just wonder how, without using cement and all these things, have been made. That kind of an exposure and discussion and talk. How many photographs in your history books do you find of your own greatness? Where do you find the cultural influences which are there across the world? Where is it about talking about Angkor Wat, which was discovered, not even yet maintained by our country, which is there in Bali or in Cambodia? So why is it that we are wanting to whitewash? Why? And why are we so worried that in case we talk of Angkor Wat or we talk of our cultural influences from Banyan in Afghanistan to this thing, or Azerbaijan, that famous temple there, it will upset the apple cart which has been so fraudulently established by few people who were actually stooges of the colonial masters and who had to run the narrative, and they were so strong and powerful that nobody has been able to displace them till today. And the worst is of this movie, and this is where I disagreed with Dhami, and I called him up. I said, in the last, why have you said that the politician who came in a mandate to change the education system has now said कि मैंने एक पेज भी या एक कॉपी भी नहीं चेंज किया है.
हाँ.
Right? I was not aware, by the way.
No, it
now
was-
again when I read,
Did
I
you see
realized that
that? Did you
what
see-
you have said is
Yeah,
right.
is
Yeah, after 4 years of
no, 4. 10 years.
The education minister said that.
Yeah, yeah.
After
That's
2
what I,
terms.
that's
हाँ.
what, that's what like this.
So then I told him, यार आपने यूँ क्यों दिखाया? You know, I argued with him, which I was not aware. So when I went back and again investigated, I realized, oh shit, it is right. What he's saying is right.
Even I didn't change a comma or a dot in what I actually wrote over there.
Yeah.
Even I
he's-
didn't change. हाँ, एक पन्ने का एक भी word, एक भी comma हमने change नहीं
चेंज
किया
नहीं
है.
किया. तो ये कब अंग्रेजों का इतिहास या जो our इतिहास is one which is written by the people who have conquered us, right? Who came from the west. They may be the Mughals, they may be the Turks, they may be anybody else. They have written our history. When will the history be questioned? I will not say Bharat's history. When the history which is validated by scientific discovery, scientific examination will be written for us.
Our history books crunch 500 years of, say, the Chalukyas, the Cholas, and Rashtrakutas, and all of that into one paragraph or half a page, and then 600 years of colonial rule is stretched into 3 classes.
Yeah.
Three, and you have to write your entire. So, but somewhere somebody decided this is what it is. Why is it that Article 1 of our Constitution says India, that is Bharat, but does not say Bharat, that
Bharat,
is
that
Hindustan?
That is India.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, so somewhere the decision was made that we will look ourselves and perceive ourselves as the West wants to perceive ourselves, rather than say this is who we are, this is now our Swayambodh, this is our Swa, and we have to find it. So now, as we come to the final leg of this chat, what do you expect from the movie? What do you think the movie will do?
I'll just I'll say one line.
sure,
and then
sure,
I'll
sure,
come to
please,
the-
please.
उसमें अभी आप देखोगे ना when you said that कि ऐसा क्यों किया गया, you see somewhere when the Westerners wrote history, जब the atrocity literature which they gave, somewhere they always wanted us to take validation from them. हर चीज में ये इंडेक्स, प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स, वो इंडेक्स, दिस इज ऑल न्यू फॉर्म ऑफ एट्रोसिटी लिटरेचर. वो बोलेगा अच्छा हम रैंकिंग में नीचे हैं, अब हम रैंकिंग में ऊपर हैं, सो इट्स कंट्रोल्ड बाय देम.
हाँ, तुम कहोगे तो सही, तुम कहोगे तो गलत.
मतलब
ऐसा, हाँ.
पाकिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान हैज मोर फ्रीडम देन
Yeah, correct.
so
Press freedom.